Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a simple calculator using ChatGPT, and you are going to do everything basically online without any previous knowledge of coding. In fact, we are going to use ChatGPT to write our code, and the code is going to be free of any bug, and this is very cool. So guys, let me show you how the calculator is going to work. Let's say for example 5 times 5. Basically you know what 5 times 5 is 25. So I press equal to automatically give me my 25. So this calculator was created using ChatGPT. I didn't write any single line of code. ChatGPT wrote audio code for me, and I put it in this new tool, this wonderful tool known as Codepen. And Codepen, from there, I was able to generate this my calculator. So I'm going to walk you through how you can play around with ChatGPT and get code to create a simple calculator like this. So with this knowledge, you can start use it to do any other project that you like. So guys, let us go right into the full video. Now, before we move on, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video. If you have any question, you can comment below. I'll be glad to answer you. So guys, let us go straight to ChatGPT. So I'm going to come straight to my ChatGPT here. In case you don't know how to come to ChatGPT, just go to chat.openai.com. Then you log in using your Google, basically log in using your Google, and you automatically will be brought to a page like this. So when you are here, all you have to do is to give ChatGPT prompt for it to generate your code. So I'm going to come here and give it a prompt. Write a HTML. So we need HTML language, CSS, and JavaScript, that's JS code for a calculator. So you can also tell it to just do this for a calculator, but let me also give you another line. Write each code on a separate line. So I'm just going to press send. So when I send it, ChatGPT is going to generate my code for me. So basically you can see it's generating my HTML code. So it's going to generate my HTML code, generate my CSS code, and generate my JavaScript code. So this is going to be done practically for me by ChatGPT. I don't even know what is going on, but it's doing everything for me. All I have to do is just copy the code and go to codepen.io and put in the code there, and I'm good to go. So now the second website I'm going to use to be able to put this code is to come straight to your browser and actually just go to codepen.io. So this is my own codepen.io. So let me just open everything up for you again so you know what I mean. So if I should come to my browser here and just search for code name pen pen.io, and I'm going to send it. So if I send it, I'll be brought straight to this particular website. Here is where I can insert my code. Now I've already logged in. That's why I'm here. So when you go to codepen.io, to prompt you to log in. So you can log in using your email. You can either log in using your Twitter, your Facebook, or you log in using your email. So I actually log into my email. They'll send a verification for you. Then you are good to go. So now I'm here. Let me now show you. So when you immediately come to your own, you'll be automatically brought to a landing page. I call it the home page, just like this, exactly like this. You'll be brought to immediately log in. You'll be brought to like this. All you have to do is to copy your code and bring it here. So here you can see that we have 3 tabs up here. Now in these 3 tabs here, we have where we can put our HTML, where we can put our CSS, where we can put our JavaScript, and where we can see the result. So guys, this is super cool and amazing. So let me just go back to my ChatGPT and copy the code. So basically ChatGPT has generated the code for me here, okay? And all I'm going to do is just to copy. So I'm going to come here up here and copy my HTML code. So I'm going to copy that, click on copy, then come to my code pen here, click on this HTML. Make sure you're clicking on this HTML, this one here. You see this black icon here, this black page will come. Then I'm going to paste in my code. So if I paste in my code, watch what is going to happen. So when I've pasted my code here in my HTML, is just going to look just basically the way it's going to look. So this is how my calculator is going to look. Just basic calculator, nothing fancy, and it's not going to work. So then I'm going to come back to my ChatGPT here and copy the CSS code. So this is the CSS code. I'm going to click on copy. So and CSS code was complete. I'm going to copy that and come to my code pen. Click on CSS. So this is CSS I clicked on up here. So this is CSS. I click on CSS and I'm just going to paste that. So when I paste that, what CSS does is to make my calculator beautiful. So as you can see here, it's now beautiful. Now you may have different you may have different interface or different beauty that this particular code is going to give to you, depending on the mood. I call it the mood, depending on the mood which ChatGPT is. So this is how it is. So presently it's not going to work here until I give it JavaScript, which will give it a level of functionality. So I'm going to come here and then insert my JavaScript. So this is my JavaScript here, but I don't think this script is totally complete. So let me just give it a command, write GS code. So GS also stands for JavaScript. So I just want to be sure that this code that is given to me is complete. All right. Okay. Oh, you like, all right. So I think this code is going to be complete then. Let's test it. If it's complete, don't need to write it again. So I'm just come up here and click on JS here, then paste in that code. Let's see, when I paste in that code, then let's see what's going to happen. Let's see. So 9. So this is not going to work because I think the let's see. Okay, it's working. It's working. Wow, that's wonderful. So our GS code is complete. Everything is complete. So you can see everything is working fine here. So let's test this calculator. Let's test this calculator and see how it goes. So let's say 5 times 5 is equal to what? 25. You see, it's complete. It's working beautifully well. So this is how you can create your basic calculator. Just so let me just give it a title. You can see currently here is on title, so I'm going to click on title and just give it a title here. Just get calculator, and okay, so this is my simple calculator. I can cancel it and I can just press 5 times 9. What is 5 times 9, guys? I think that is 45. So 45, you can do other things. 45 times 4, and everything's going to work beautifully well. So let's look for something else. Let's see 10. Okay, what is 10%? Let's see if it's going to go. So 10% of what? So let's say 10% of 90. Just do some calculation that you know it's going to basic calculation. So this cancel. So let me say I want to do 10 times 69, and that should be 690. So 690. Our calculator is working beautifully well. So guys, this is how you can be able to use ChatGPT to create a simple calculator. So if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, and please share this video to friends and family. Like this video, and if you have any question you can ask, and I promise to create more exciting video like this in the very nearest future. Ensure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification button, and I look forward to seeing the next video. Thank you so much, and I love you. Thank you.